Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Living My Black Girl Lifestyle. Tonight we are going to watch the new movie, Megan. Going to the movie theaters. Mom's coming with. And we are on our way. Time to buckle up and we are out.
Megan. Hey, Megan.
No, the E is a 3. Why is the E a 3?
Okay guys, so we have arrived and we are on our way inside now. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for more videos.
You too. Hopefully you enjoy the movie. Yeah, I hope so. Take care, brother. You too, brother.
Put some boots. Now we are standing in line, waiting to buy the ticket. And I'm so excited. Hashtag so excited. Just 2 things of nachos, a thing of popcorn.
Oh, what's that popcorn?
A large. And 2 sodas. Actually, 1 slushie. All you have is slushies? Or?
We have fountain drinks and slushies.
I have a slushie and a soda. What's your hat? Maybe just...
Here.
Thank you. Lisa, help with this one. Okay guys, so we have arrived.
She's beauty and she's race.
Either one.
You're gonna like Megan even more. See, Bruce requires someone else to operate him. Adventurers with us today? Yes.
Your lipstick. Hey guys, so we just finished watching the movie Megan, and it was actually really exciting and fun, but it went by way too quick. Yeah guys, so we had a wicked great time. We came out here, we said we were going to, we planned it this morning and we still made it here tonight. But yeah, it was a great movie. It was kind of scary at points, not really all that scary. It was funny, very funny, but it was all way too quick. Like, I'm like, when the credits came on, I'm like, damn, it's already over. It was one of those.
Yeah, it was pretty quick.
Right, it was one of those movies, but it was exciting, you guys.
An hour, maybe like an hour 50, hour 30.
Yeah, I do recommend it to anybody who's watching this video. Go out and watch the new movie, Megan. Yes, it was not bad at all.
He needs a...
Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this video. Okay guys, so now we headed out and we are on our way home. And again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Love you guys. Thanks for watching. We out of here. Bye. To play viewers on the day that's just what? And now I'm too excited to go home and chill, you guys. I literally am ready to relax. I did some homework earlier on today, so I don't have too much of that to worry about. So just time to go home and chill and enjoy my night.
Yeah, I guess it was not that. It was just them like doing commercials and like talking about that pet thing
And
that
like
she
how
made.
they swore in the commercials
Yep,
too. Like,
yep.
what did you think about that? That kind of makes you think about like how like anything's on TV.
Not gonna lie, yeah, true, definitely true. It made me think about all of that. Oh yeah, it was very realistic. I like the modern take on it. Not gonna lie, that was very
Right, that
effective.
made me think. Not gonna lie.
Yeah,
Provoked me a little bit.
yeah.
Yeah, pretty good fun.
Coming out full.
Okay guys, so we made it home. Now it's time to take off all jackets and start to relax. And now we're talking about the movie.
Probably will be another one because it went off with that kind of.
You shut up.
Shut up.
Now we are relaxing. It's biscuits, it's gravy, yeah.